Hi everybody. One of our Unifii product of the daily signals that they provide to us on a daily basis to help us to protect and grow our Bitcoin even in a bear market. My name is Nasir from Unifii Crypto World YouTube channel. I am a founding member of Unifii and I am using this product. I have just spoken to you about it but today I want to introduce you to Troy Chambers. Now Troy is also a Unifii affiliate member, but he is also a professional trader and has been for many years. He works closely with our corporate leaders and has started to provide us with weekly updates, weekly statistics of the daily and live signals and what they have produced and would produce for us in profits. We'll follow them exactly as they are given. So in this video, he is just coming to show us the number of trades, the winning trades, the losing trades, because yes, there are always losing trades as well, and he shows us the Binance fees what we are supposed to use the exchange for trading on, and he shows us the profit and loss in actual in Bitcoin. So here's Troy now. Enjoy the video. He's a great teacher and shows us in very uncomplicated ways how to use these signals, so you don't need to be a trader to take huge advantages of the Unifii products. Guys, it's impressive and we teach you all of it. We literally take you by the hands. Here's Troy.
Welcome everybody, this is Troy Chambers. I'm going to be doing your week in review for August 28th through September 4th with the daily Binance Unifii signals. First, the disclaimer. Following review is an independent review that I do, and the results may vary depending on your entry points and of course depending on your stop losses, whether you use them or not, and also whether you take advantage of take profit opportunities. I am going to be taking the maximum amount of opportunities that I see happening in the market, but it's totally up to you. The number one thing I want you guys to be aware of is trading is risky. Do not use capital you can't afford to lose. Past results is in no way guaranteed of future performance. I'd like you to refer to your step-by-step Binance trading PDF for more detailed explanation of techniques being used in this video. So, like I said, this week we're doing is August 28th to September 4th. And it looks like that on the Unifii chart. Now, just to do a little bit of a recap before we get started on the 28th, on the 27th last week, we left in a buy situation at 67.13. Within an hour of that signal, she started going and going and going and going. And it was a nice run. And actually, we have a take profit opportunity right off the get-go. Now, I need to explain a few things. There are different options for taking profit. Option one is taking 3% profit and closing the trade out completely. But this is usually only done when it's going against the trend. Okay? This is going with the trend. This trade is going against the trend. Going with the trend, that one be going against. Okay? Option two is taking 50%. So taking half of your BTC or half of your USDT, depending on which one you're in, and have the rest remaining in the trade. Of course, moving your stops up on both as the system, as the market goes up. Let's have a look at what this one is. Again, because we're with the trend, it's going to be option two, which is the 50% take profit at 3% gain, and moving the stops up. With this one here, our take profit point would be 69.14, which is a range of 201, but because we're only taking 50% on one BTC, it would be $100. All of my amounts are going to be calculated as if we bought one BTC at the very beginning of the week. This trade, it came back down, came back up. Now we have 50% in USDT. When you go out of a trade, you still want to have a stop loss on that exit. So you need to decide, where is this trade no longer valid? Meaning we took the 50% out of BTC thinking it could go down. We need to decide, okay, if it doesn't go down, if it goes up, where am I getting back in? You need to decide that. It could be at the previous highs here, or it could be at 2% or 3%. It's totally up to you. Personally, I would go off the highs because once it breaks the highs, it's going to keep going, usually. What happens here? The market does keep going, and we actually get another 3% gain for a total of 6% move. Our exit was 71.15. The range was 402. And because we still had 50% in, that's a profit of 201. So we had a profit of 201, and earlier we had a profit of 100. So a 301 gain. That is sweet. What happens on the 29th? We get a sell signal. The sell signal comes in at 70.20, and there it is there on the chart. There it is on this chart. So we had some ups and downs, but it still caught it pretty high. From this level here, our stops would be put in for the sell still at 71.53 and 72.23 for a 2 and 3% stop loss. The buy, remember, was at 67.13. Our sell was 70.13. That gives us a profit of $300, which is a 4.46 gain. Nice. What do we got next? August 30th, we get a buy at 7,005. There it is there in the Unifii chart. And on the Binance chart, we get it right here. 69.91 is the best possible price at the time of the telegram. And stops would be put in at 68.51 and 67.81. There was our sell. There's the buy. But if you have a look, this move went down, 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 down. And this is actually a 3% take profit opportunity. Now remember, the trend is going up. So this take profit opportunity is against the trend. So we're going to do option 1, which is 3% close. We're going to take all our USDT and we're going to buy BTC. That buy price would be 68.09. Now you can do that by putting in a limit order or a market order. It all depends on where you are at the time this move is happening. Remember that our original take profit level was 71.15. So from 71.15 to 68.09, and the other half from 70.13 to 6.09 gives us a profit of $255, which allows us to buy 1.0373 BTC. So we've already gained BTC, and it's only the second trade of the week. So the profits from the signal is still $22. Still a winning trade, and I am happy with any winning trade. Next signal going to be a sell September 1st at 5:02 a.m. for 70.69. There it is on the chart. There's on Binance. We determined the best possible price for this sell is going to be 70.52. There it is there. 70.52. Our stop loss is 71.93 and 72.63. There was the buy from Unifii. If you did not take the take profit opportunity, you would have a gain of 0.87 or $61. If you took the take profit opportunity earlier at 68.09, you would have a gain of 7.43, a total of $506. Now, I need you guys to put on your thinking caps for a second. If I take 7,052 minus 6809, it does not equal this. So how am I getting this number? Well, remember, we have 1.0373 Bitcoin we're selling at this price. That gives us a profit of 7,315. So this is how I get this total gain. Just wanted you guys to, in case there's some people out there that are really good at math and saying, hey, this does not equal this. What's going on? It's because I'm selling this amount of Bitcoin now. Next trade, going to be a buy. And it is on still September 1st, 11:02 a.m. for 71.96. And on the Binance chart, we got a price Its best available is 71.93. There it is there. So we got the sell and then we got the buy. This is a losing trade because we're buying higher. So we've sold before, meaning we're in USD. Now we have to take our USD money and we're buying it at a higher price. That's okay. It happens. Our stop losses still go in at 70.49 and 69.77. Using 7,315 of USD to buy the BTC at 71.93, we get a new balance in BTC of 1.069. Okay, that's a loss of 0.0204 BTC. The actual value of that BTC at that price is right there, 7,314. This is how we get that figure, because we take that amount of BTC times 7193 right here. And yeah, that's the end of the trade. Even though it was a losing trade, we're still well ahead of the market price. Next trade is September 3rd, and it's going to be a sell at 72.26 at 5:02 a.m. There it is on the Unifii chart. Best possible price for that one is 72.41. There it is there. And stop loss is placed at 73.70 and 74.42. Remember, our buy was 71.93. So we are selling higher. So this is a winning trade. Gains here is 2.36 for a gain of $170. So that is calculated by taking 1.0169 BTC times our sell price equals this amount of USDT that we now have, which is that gain there. Next signal is still September 3rd at 5:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is 7,263. There it is on the Unifii chart. And on the Binance chart, the best possible price for this is 72.56. And stop losses go in at 71.10 and 70.38. There it is there on the Binance chart. Now, this one resulted in a loss of 0.002 BTC. The new balance of BTC is 1.0147. Okay, we're going to do a summary. We got a total of 6 trades. 4 of them were winners for a total value of $1,231. Gotta like that. Losing trades, 2 of them for a total loss of $162. I like that ratio. The BNB fees, a total of in and out of the trades, are $35.47. I always use BNB to pay my fees, so they do not affect my trading capital at all. I just buy my BNB at the beginning of the month, and it gets used up as I trade. So profits is in dollars, plus 15.9%. That is crazy. I like it. And total increase in our BTC, which is always important, is 0.0147. Let's break this down a little bit more. For trade 1 equaled $300 in profit. Trade 2 equaled $255. Trade 3 equals $506 in gains. Trade 4 was the losing one. We lost $146. Trade 5, we gained $170. And trade 6, we lost $16. Total, with all the gains minus all the losses, equals $1,069. So that's our weekend review, people. We ended here at the buy. And as you can see, the market did move up very nicely. So when the market moves up, what do? We move our stops up. So I'll be giving you information about where we probably got out next week. So I hope you enjoyed this week in review, and happy trading, everyone. Bye-bye.
We can review and we can enjoy it, and more to come. Thank you very much, especially really impressive this review. Now, below this video you will find a PDF file of all these profits and losses and the trades and so on. You are very welcome to download that and have a really good look at what's in the file itself, the information. There also below this video there is a link where you can register for more information and get into our system. But if you are really ready to start trading and you are going to register with Unifii, that means are going to pay the registration fee of $280 with including in that is our first month's subscription to be able to use the daily and live signals, which as you can see we easily make back within even in a bear market. We make it back. For more information, click the link below in video description where you can register today and get started. Get started on building your financial portfolio. I will speak to you soon. I would love to work with you, and I am working for people who want to build up their team and since their financial situation. For more info, stay tuned with the channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good luck.